ducky book named Gossie and Gertie. The book is by Olivier Dunrea. And let's start reading. Gossie and Gertie. For Pupper. This is Gossie. This is Gertie. Gossie wears bright red boots. Gertie wears bright blue boots. They are friends, best friends. They splash in the rain. They play hide and seek in the daisies. Okay, here's the funny page. They dive in the pond. Zeep, zoop. Ha! They watch in the night. They play in the haystacks. Be careful. Gossie and Gertie are best friends. Everywhere Gossie goes, Gertie goes too. Follow me, cried Gossie. Gossie marched to the barn. Gertie followed. Follow me, cried Gossie. Gossie sneaked to the sheep. Gertie followed. Follow me, cried Gossie. Gossie jumped into a mud puddle. Gertie did not follow. Follow me, shouted Gossie. Gertie followed a hopping frog. She's going to keep yelling at him. Follow me, shouted Gossie. But Gertie followed a butterfly. Follow me, shouted Gossie. Gertie followed a shiny blue beetle. Follow me, shouted Gossie. As she followed Gertie, Gertie followed a trail of grain. Follow me, said Gertie. It's time for dinner. Gossie followed. Gossie and Gertie are best friends. Best friends!